Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix PDF icons in desktop turned into block squares in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run. Again, press Windows key and R key together, and with that, you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to type for control.exe. Again, type for control.exe and click on OK to proceed. Wait until a new window would appear in our screen the moment you have the click on it, which is the control panel window. Now we're here, you need to change the window or view into large icons. How we can do that? Proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there an option called View By. Click on this down arrow and proceed with large icons. And once you have set it, look for an option called File Explorer Options. Okay. So let's locate it. Now it's here next to date and time. Click on it, and the moment you had click on it, this small window would appear. Now close this control panel window so that we can focus on this. Okay? Here you need to proceed with the second option, which is view. And there under the advanced settings, you can see there a box which consists a list of options. Now here you need to go with always show icons, never thumbnails. Now check this box. Once done, click on apply and OK. This time you need to check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed, okay? So the moment it will be fixed, open your PDF and there you have it. Okay? So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you want to go back to your file explorer options to uncheck the one that we are going to check earlier, navigate here at the bottom search bar, simply type for file explorer options, go with the best matched. I wait, let's just have to add bid options first. Go with best match, click on open, click on it, and go with view and uncheck this box, always show icons, never thumbnails, apply and okay, and your problem will be fixed also. Okay, we just have to turn on the one that we have we just have to disable the one that we have turned on earlier. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.